In this next installment of the SmartWay Product Insider, we will be reviewing the specific items found in the SmartWay system as mentioned in the previous videos. The available in-feeds include a low-profile wall feed for 1 to 2 circuits, a high-profile wall feed for 2 or more circuits, and a Raceway wall feed, the Hubble wall track and the surface mount box included for sourcing from a pre-existing receptacle. All of these options are available in slate or aluminum. New additions to the product line include a rough-in wall box system for new construction in slate and aluminum, a Smart Fit to SmartWay 4-inch pull-through transition system, a wedge box for old construction with steel studs, and a power pull transition box. The available device boxes are a 2-gang 2-power or data, a 2-gang combination box, and an extender cover, as seen here. The 3-gang combinations are a 2-power 1 data or a 1-power 2 data, as well as an additional extender box. All electrical and data devices are sold separately. FSR also carries a hardwired furniture feed,
compatible with the block cable pathway to elegantly feed cables from the device box to the underside of a table.
Last is the low-profile conduit transition fitting. These device boxes are not field modifiable, cannot be interchanged, and all necessary dividers are installed. Any combination of device boxes can be incorporated into your system. As always, for more information on this product line and many others, please visit our website, fsrinc.com. Thank you for watching, and stick around for the next video with the information necessary to design your very own SmartWay system.